Is Rematch Beta Test crashing the moment you try to launch it? Black screen, sudden close, or nothing happens at all? You're not alone. A lot of players are facing these startup crashes and errors right now. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you all the working solutions to fix Rematch Beta Test crashing or not launching on PC. These methods are simple, tested, and actually work. So watch till the end and try each step one by one. One of them will definitely fix it for you. If these fixes worked for you, drop a like and let me know in the comments. If you're still having issues, don't hesitate to ask, and I'll help you out. Make sure to subscribe for more quick fixes like this one and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.